Yes. I'd rather have you a pain to get out of instead of try to get me to the hospital.
Yeah. Because I'd have to drive.
Yeah. Or have Mike.
Yeah. I mean, I'm comfortable driving. So.
No speeding tickets.
Huh?
There's no speeding tickets.
I mean, if you're in desperate need of it and you're dying, then I just help them.
No, this is terrifying. I'm tying this up.
No, you got this. Come on.
Well, alright, do you want to fall that? You saw how high I was. Oh, like, I was almost touching the brakes. What?
That would hurt my legs. This is why we make you do this.
That and I'm liable.
Yeah. Dog, I don't think you want to be out here for this. We're almost.
Actually, do you want me to?
We're almost there. Getting it down.
We got me all harnessed up here, and we tested it because I slipped off the ladder like down low and it caught me, so we're good.
Thank you. I'll
Thanks.
definitely be eating that. Looks good.
Huh?
That looks good.
That's mild. This is a special that I do. It's called mango. It's got mangoes in it.
Oh, mangoes. That sounds good. Okay. You ready, Kevin?
We'll see how this goes.
Do you want the chainsaw?
Yeah. Maybe let's do like cut here,
Okay.
but
Is that okay?
cut
Getting right,
like right here,
there.
like right here, cut it off.
Oh, you cut the whole thing off if you want.
Oh, I don't want to have a chainsaw above my head. Like I feel comfortable with like right here, so
That's fine.
Okay.
okay. Yeah, let's have you pull that way.
Okay.
And you can use these
Yeah.
here to go down
Yeah.
the crumbing.
Okay. Ready?
Where's that thing stuck?
Stuck on rocks.
1 second. Okay. I think I have enough.
I can move this out of the way too.
Yeah.
That way if you fall, you ain't gonna lift my breath.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody back up. We don't want nobody to get hurt.
Hey.
You're good, Kevin. Okay, just tell me. That worked.
Yeah. Please take this thing from me.
Okay. Is that good?
You wanted it.
Hey, take a picture.
Okay.
Hold on, please.
Wait, but it's recording.
Oh, well, that's fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
That needs to go to Malia.
That actually worked well. What the heck? We did good.
Yeah, definitely feel better about. I was definitely relying on this safety.